First, the Pirates in advantage. They've got one game in hand, but it is stealing 2 points.
Sure.
Now, which has a belief Bazo win the game in hand. They're going to win it, but in a 5 point. And Pirates ban advantage because we rest. They are out of Champions League, which is believe with Babasana player because of Champions League and Betway Premiership.
100%.
And there's a difference between a cup and a Betway Premiership. In marathon, it's Betway Premiership. You need to maintain. You need to be consistent. I'm play individual, also as a team, and as a coach as well. So Pirates have got the advantage, true, for now. I'll be honest. And it is a advantage with rest because here now Sundowns is depend with manager and player. I'm talking about the rest because now you've got Sundowns that they're playing. But Monday will be playing Friday. It's got to train us. Sometimes they've got this by experienced players, but now they're not being themselves. Coach, I understand. I'm a players they're not performing the way they used to. They look predictable, too slow. How they build up. I'm a player that they're dynamic individual up front. Yes, also about to selling, but they go figure fit like a tough. We understand also somebody lotion struggling. The coach in to complicate his into cool. Honestly, a disadvantage, not the advantage with that coach because how they play. Everybody feels like he can beat Sundowns. Yeah, true. And we can't lie in fact watching them. Now we cannot speak Sundowns, they are beatable now, currently. Bakorega, every time they play, it looks like they're going to concede a goal. The coach doesn't know how to use his players. Ushana reaction from the bench. If he concede, it's Weske to come and react. Only advantage Pirates, but the coach was winning came from the bench.
Yeah, 100%.
And they've got speed. They've got individual players, and he can play. We was good to be a team. Now overrated in Togimshadi's hand like first round. Only advantage to the coach. What his players always younger. They are coachable, energetic. One of the best attacking team in Africa as a continent, according to me. I'm gonna be convinced, with this Cardoso guy. I'm not too sure even Nyazi Obit is a small team, but they can be so difficult for them because it's so predictable team like how we coach players. Like they keep possession without the purpose of it. They can't score goals. They're too terrible. I need to be honest to you. I think February or Mangapela is gonna be too late.
Yeah, it might be too late to swing it.